back in some long-lost time when the Minecraft prison community had some relevance, a prison called Mangrove's Eye was released. It was innovative for a far more minimalist style than any other prison that had been released at that point. And over the rest of Mangrove's age, prisons became more and more refined, with each release being more secure with less features than the last. Yet area banless prisons didn't see any of this innovation. So I present the Cat Den. So, a problem with banless prisons is that they have so many more universals. For example, no public banless prison has been able to patch mining into the prison, so the Cat Den completely ignores it. Wait, this idea is so stupid.